Access the text control panel by clicking on its button. To add text to your banner, click the Add New Text button. Select your text and type your message. Then, choose your typeface. And select a color. Text elements move by clicking on the edge of the blue box. The cursor will tell you when you're in the scale mode, and you can enlarge the text. If you want to edit your text, just click in the box. You can always go back to the text control dialog box to change your settings. This type style is larger than the last one and has scaled off the banner. We can fix that by clicking on the Show Full Artboard, and then scale the type down. Let's add an element for visual interest. With just one click, it loads from a server and appears on your banner. Always view your banner at 100% size to ensure the quality of your image. Enjoy using the banner builder at smilesigns.com.